Hello, boys and girls. Today we are talking about letters with the same sound. And we are talking about letters I and E that say I. Letters I and E say I. So let us now look at some words with the I sound. Let's read words with I and E. I. L, I. L, I. Put the sounds together. Lie, lie. And here we see this boy is lying on the bed. Lie. Now read this word. Der, ice, der, ice, dries, dries. The girl dries her hair. Dries. So we know that letters I and E say I. But there are other letters with the I sound as well. So here we see letters I and E that say I. But we also see letters I, G, and H. Letters I, G, and H also say I. So letters I and E say I, and letters I, G, and H also say I. So let us now look at words with the I sound using letters I, G, and H. So sound this word with me. I. I. Put the sounds together. Hi. 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 That word is high. Like the boy is climbing high up on the ladder. He is climbing high up on the ladder. Then we have this word. Let's sound it. L, I, t. L, I, t. Let's put the sounds together to form the word. Light, light, light. And our word is light, like the light from a light bulb. Light. Here is another word with the I sound. Sound it with me. N, I, t. N, I, t. Put the sounds together. Night, 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 night. Our word is night. So here we see the night sky. Night. Here is another word that we can sound that has the IGH sound. I. S, I, t. S, I, t. Put the sounds together. Sight, 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 sight. When you can see something, you have sight. Sight. Let's sound this word. R, I, t. R, I, Can we put the sounds together? Right, right. Our word is right. For example, you raise your right hand during the national pledge. Right. And here we have one last word. Fur, I, t. Fur, I, t. Let's put our sounds together. Fright, 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 fright. Our word is fright. Like someone is scared. Fright. Excellent reading, boys and girls.